Today we'll be performing rotations as the type of transformation. All these rotations will be what we call about the origin or around the origin on the coordinate plane. Some of the rotations will be in a clockwise rotation, and some will be in a counterclockwise rotation. So to perform a rotation, you need to know three things. First, you know the angle, how much you're going to rotate it. And today we'll be rotating 90 degrees or 180 degrees. And you also need to know what point you're rotating around. And today we'll be just rotating around the origin. And you need to know the direction, whether you're going clockwise or counterclockwise. So here we have a pre-image. The blue image is the pre-image, and I've rotated it. I've made three transformations of rotations. First, I rotated it 90 degrees clockwise. Then I rotated the pre-image 90 degrees counterclockwise, and I rotated the image 180 degrees. So think of the origin, think of the coordinate plane as one rotation around the entire coordinate plane is 360 degrees. So to go halfway around is 180, and to go from one quadrant to another quadrant is 90 degrees. So we're going to see the effects of a rotation on the coordinates of each point, and we're just going to look at point C. So here I have my pre-image, and I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees clockwise. So that's what a 90-degree clockwise rotation would look like. So we started with C at 4, 2. When we rotated it, C prime became 2, -4. So the relationship of the coordinates, we started with an XY coordinate, and when we rotated it 90 degrees clockwise, the coordinates switched place, and the X coordinate is the opposite. All right, now if I start again with my pre-image, and C is at 4, 2, and I rotate it 90 degrees counterclockwise, this is what the image looks like. And so my new point for C is 2, 4, -2, 4. So what happened to the coordinates? We started with an XY of 4, 2, and then we switched places, and the Y coordinate became negative. And our last rotation will be 180 degrees. So you don't need to know whether you go clockwise or counterclockwise, because when you go 180 degrees, you're going halfway around. So here is 90 degrees, 180 degrees. So I landed there, and had I gone counterclockwise, that's 90 degrees, 180. So it doesn't matter which direction with 180 degrees because you're going halfway around. So the new point there is -4, -2. So we started with 4, 2, and then we just ended up with an opposite. So when you do a rotation of 180, the coordinates are just the opposites of each other.